Okay, guys, welcome. Today we are going to be talking about WordPress themes. A theme can be installed on your WordPress website, and it will change how everything looks, basically. And I've gotten a couple questions about themes, so I wanted to tackle them right here. If you want to follow along, log into your WordPress account, or if you just want to watch and then do it later, just be mindful that this is for WordPress only. Okay, so I'm in WordPress. I'm logged in, and I'm in my dashboard of one of my sites here. And let's go to our themes. So I'm going to go under Appearance, and that's where I have themes. And then what appears? This is gonna probably look a little different than what you guys have. This page shows all of the themes that I've ever used at some point. Even if I don't like it or anything like that, it shows that theme, and it shows the list of themes that I've tried before. And you can see I have a bunch of them. And that was one of the things I wanted to tackle was that people were asking. I'm having a hard time picking a theme, and I just want to let you guys know that you can always change your theme, and you can get a live preview before you even make the jump and switch over the whole entire website to a different theme. But yes, there can be a couple little bugs when you switch to a theme. You don't really ever know until you finally do it. But at least you can get a preview to see if you like how it looks. So I have a bunch of themes here that I've tried out before, and if I want to, I could add a new one. But let's say I want to get a brand new theme, not anything that I've tried before, but a brand new theme. So then what you have to do is you have to go to Add New. If you do search installed themes, that means you're just going to search through all of the themes that you've installed at one point. It's not all of the themes out there in the world. It's only these themes. So you have to click Add New. And then what comes up is it comes up with all of the themes that you can choose from. And if you look here, it's going to say featured. Then we also have popular. We also have latest. And there's a count, a number that shows you how many themes you have. So these are some popular themes. These are the newest themes. And then we also have favorites. And what you do is you just go down here and you look, get an idea of anything that you might possibly be interested in. And I want to show you the next tab over from favorites, and that is feature filter. So I'm going to search for themes, and I want to actually search it by features. Now, one of the features that I definitely want is I want a theme that is responsive. And so if you look under layout here, you'll see there's many different layouts: fixed, fluid, and responsive. So I want responsive. Responsive means that people will be able to also view the website on mobile. It's mobile. It'll respond to that device. And mobile is a big deal. We definitely want it to be mobile. Then we have other features as well. I do like a right sidebar, but I'm not going to require a right sidebar. That would, if I checked it, then it would only show me themes that have a right sidebar. Specific colors. Now, definitely go through colors if you have branding, but I'm also going to leave it plain like this because I want to find a theme that I can change the colors. And so here we go. So we have features. Now features, you have custom colors. So I might want to do that. So I might choose that. Custom background, Blavatar, accessible. You can read through all of these. But editor style would be more of the nerdy code type of people. So you might not want that. You might want to drag and drop one instead. And then you have a bunch of other features that you could choose from. You can even choose by subject, by holiday, photos, or seasonal. But all I want for right now, just for me personally, I want responsive and custom colors. So once I do that, apply filters, and then these are the results that have my filters. Okay, and I can even go back and edit the filters if I want to. I can add more. So now I have a bunch of themes that are just here, and they have a name. If you hold your mouse over it, you can get details and preview it. And oh, look at this one, SEO Press. Well, I've never heard of that before, but it might be great for the search engines. So what I'm going to do now is I want to get some details in preview, so I'm just going to click it. Then what it does is it brings up a preview in the middle large area on the right here, but it also gives you information on the left. Here's the version. It's got some ratings. 6 people like it. SEO Press, multi-purpose, responsive, fast to load, SEO friendly, and fully customizable. Okay. It can be used for various types of websites, blogs, one page, landing page. Okay, great. You can even get a demo. So that's pretty nice. Get a little mobile. This shows me what it looks like on mobile, tablet, computer. That's what these little icons here. And let's say I want to see the whole thing. I can collapse it. And then you can go through here, and this is not my website. This is just the preview, but I can kind of play around with it, see if I like it. And it's okay. Not a lot of pictures. If I do like it, I click install. Let's go find another one. But that one's okay. Oh, look at that. It's green, beetle. So really, all I'm looking for, I'm not looking for specific colors because I know I can change the color. But what I'm looking for a couple things. I'm looking to see, is there a giant photo up here? That wouldn't be good for a business unless it was a photography business. We want some information for people to read when they come to the website. So a photo theme might not be the best one. See, now this one's more of a magazine style, a lot of text. Let's say you don't have a ton of text, but you do have a couple paragraphs. Well, then maybe this one isn't the best one for you. Maybe we want to find something that's even a little bit slimmer. Tortuga's okay. It's got a couple boxes. I don't know if I like that. Now, see this one down here, it has a graphic, pretty much the majority of the top fold of the homepage, but there is text that you can put in there, so that's pretty neat. Okay, I like this one, Blog Rock Core. So there's pictures, but there's also blog posts, and one person liked it, and it's still nice and basic. Menu, okay, and then a little thing to let you go up. So it's still basic again, but let's just say I like this one. Okay, I like this one, so I'm going to install it. So I click install, and then what it does is it takes me to this page. It's just a plain page under appearance on your website, and then it says downloading it, unpacking it, installing the theme, successfully installed. But that doesn't mean it's activated. That just means it's in my list of themes. Remember when I first clicked themes and it just showed me all the ones that I have installed at least one point? Well, this one will be in there, so I can still change my mind if I want to, but that's okay. Then there is also up at the top here, you might want to be aware of this. This theme recommends the following plugins. All of these. So if you're going to use this theme, they recommend it. You don't have to use it. For example, WooCommerce is a shopping cart. Well, we suggest Kickstart Cart, so you don't need WooCommerce. But you might want to pay attention to some of these other ones. Contact Form 7, we have Kickstart Cart most of the time, so that's our autoresponder. That's our form. We don't need this one. And then there's a little slider and a page builder and stuff like that. So it's up to you. You have to click these and get information to see if you want them. You can also dismiss it and just go for it. And I think that's what I'm going to do. And so I'm going to click activate. And this is where, so it happened. It activated. I have a theme. It goes back to my themes. My theme right here, Blog Rock Core, is the one that I like. And so let's take a look at it. So now I'm going to go to my website, see what happened. Did I screw it up? Maybe. Okay. So now that I've installed my theme, there's parts and pieces that I don't have. There's pieces that I do have. And now I can see if I really like it or not. So I have my header here, and then it says add a menu. So I need to create a menu. Now I had a menu before, I don't know, on my other theme. And here's my menu here, so I don't really understand why it's telling me to create a menu, because I have one. But that's okay. This is what you have to deal with when you switch your themes. It might be a couple little things. And also on this theme, what I like to have is I have videos. I have YouTube videos, but they're not showing up. Because the way this theme works is it has this, then some text, and then if you click on the blog post, then it takes you to the page where you will have or I will have my video. Well, I don't want that. I actually want my video to appear right on the home page of my website. So, in my opinion, this is not a good one for me. Okay, so here's the menu, which is down here, a little weird, a little odd. I don't like it. And those are the little things that you have to deal with sometimes when you switch a theme. So, okay, since I don't like it, I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to go back to Appearance, Themes. And again, here's all of the themes that I had before. And wouldn't you know it, I don't remember which theme I was using before. So this is going to be interesting because I'm going to have to go through them all, I guess. But that's the thing. So you can see I have 2010 Weaver. Weaver is a good theme, very customizable, but this is the 2010 version. Atahualpa is another customizable one, but it's a little text heavy. Catch Response. Let me see what that one looks like, because there was one that I did like. So now I'm doing a preview, and I'm going to find the one I like. Now, let's say we want to find a theme that's outside of... yep, see, this one I don't want either. But this is my little customize area. I don't like it. Nope, I'm going to close it. That's not the one I wanted. So I'll just keep going and see if they have some other ones. Maybe it was 2010 Weaver. I don't think it was. Atahualpa. Okay, so let's talk about going to... Wow, no thanks. But see, now my videos show up in my blog post, so this is something that I do like. All right. Come on. Now, let's say we want to find themes outside of WordPress. There's still going to be for WordPress, but there are WordPress developers that create themes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to type in WordPress themes. I don't know why it didn't show up. Okay, WordPress themes. And there's about 21 million results. Now, of course, there's paid ones. These are ads. Don't want the ad. I just want to see, okay, featured, free. Also, that might be a good word. I should have put in free WordPress themes, because there are WordPress themes that you have to pay for. All right, free WordPress themes. So we go there, and this is WordPress.org. It's their website. It's not our website. It's WordPress's website, but that's fine. You can still look at themes. But then what happens is when you click it, it gives you info on this theme page. You can preview it there. You can get a preview here. You can see the ratings. You can see the download. And you can also see when it was last updated. Now, being updated relatively recently is a good thing to be also aware of. You don't want a theme that's just going to fade out and die on you. So try to find a theme that is, what you want. And there was something else I wanted to tell you guys too. The question came up about, maybe it was Chip Life. A question came up about, well, what do I do if my theme is not upgraded? Ooh. Well, my theme is not upgraded, but oh, that's not bad. Okay. So see, now there's a couple things that are bugging me on this theme, but there's also things that I can do to optimize it. And so that might be something that, this might be a theme that I might be interested in. Okay, so somebody asked me, what do I do if the plugins don't match my theme? They're not updated. There's plugins that are recommended. Do I do it or not? That's totally up to you. But the other question was, what do I do if, do you see these where it says update available, update available? These are old themes that they are being updated. The developers are still working on it, so that's good. But somebody asked me, well, one of the themes that I saw said it was compatible for WordPress 4, but I have WordPress 5, version 5. Will it work? Well, I don't know. There might be a couple things wrong with it. Everything might work fine. You can either try it on your own, see if it works, or you can wait until that theme has been updated. And you never really know. See how it says right here when I clicked on the details, it tells me the name of the theme and the version. So that's good to know. and then you can see if that you can check to see if that works with your version of WordPress. So I'm going to go through that step right here. I'm still looking for that theme I was using. Maybe it was Weaver. All right. So we're going to do Weaver activate. It says update available. Let's click update available. It has a live theme. So this is that Atahualpa. I don't want that one. Weaver. I did click Weaver, right? No. Oh, here it is. So Weaver. So now I have Weaver. I just installed it. Just clicked it. Boom. Done. I can check by going to my YouTube site and see now I have a header graphic that has two of the same image. So that's a little weird thing that I'm going to have to fix. So there are issues when you switch your themes sometimes. This one's not too bad. And so I might stick with it, and I might have to keep it and customize it so I can fix that header and all of that stuff. But themes, don't let themes worry you. Usually once you find one, you stick with it for a while, customize it, get the colors you want, and most of the time people don't change them. But there are people that like to change it a lot. They just have to be aware of those, pitfalls. So let me know if you have any questions. This was just a quick rundown of themes and what you should be looking for, what you want, and what you should and shouldn't be worried about. Okay? Send me questions in the chat box or send me a message, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.